Want to share your digital Switch games with someone else? Good news, you can. Nintendo allows you to share your entire digital library with a friend or family member through a feature called primary console switching. Think of it like passing around a digital game cartridge. Only one person can play at a time, but you don't need to buy the same game twice. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to help you set it up safely and easily. So first of all, make sure to log into your Nintendo account in both of your Switch. You will need the same Nintendo account to game share. To do this, open up your Switch, go to System Settings, scroll down to Users, tap Add Users. Now create a new user and link your Nintendo account with it. This is a long process, so I'm just going to skip the login process in this video, but it's not that hard anyway. Now make sure to do this for both your Switches. Once it's done, get your primary console at hand. The primary console is the Switch that gets linked to your account first. On your primary Switch, go to Virtual Game Cards from the home menu. Select your profile to log in. This will show you all your saved games. Now get your secondary console at hand. Go to Virtual Game Cards in it as well. Select the profile that has been linked to the same Nintendo account as your primary console one. Now as you can see, both Switch have the same games available. To play the game you brought in your primary console and your secondary console. To play the game you bought in your primary console on your secondary console. Just select it on your secondary console. Select load on this system. If you're doing this the first time, you'll get a linking prompt. Just tap next to it and bring both your Nintendo Switch closer to finish the pairing process. This isn't showing up for me since I've already done it, but you will need to select systems are close enough in this part. You'll get a link prompt on your primary console, so select it and your device will be linked up. Now remember, you can only play the same game on a different console at a time. The moment you select load on this system, that game will be ejected from your primary console. Yeah, this can be a bummer, but it is what it is. And that's it. Now you know how to share digital games on a Nintendo Switch using the primary console method. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Nintendo tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.